Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you to all my YouTube channel. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video, another important discussion we are going to do here on to do an intraday with a normal this opening range breakout. So using the first 15 minutes ORB, we are planning a trade. So based on, but for this strategy, we have already selected a stock based on the scanners. So after selecting the stock for a scanners, using that ORB strategy which you are applying on that particular stock, that may give you such a good result that I'm going to discuss in this video. And yesterday I mentioned you some 3 stocks which it is working good for today, and let me see how it is worked. The first stock was GNFC that we already told you, but this level we didn't get by yesterday because these levels are first 15 minutes level which is going to be formed after the market open, so 9:15 to 9:30, because it may be very less or very high, so we don't know, right? So here the stock which forms a 521.45, and the stop loss for the trade is 507, or maybe the sell entry. So once it is breaks below the level, we are going to focus a sell, or once we are going to break above the level, we are focusing for a buy opportunity. This is what the trade plan where we are going to plan it, and it gives you a buy opportunity, and then it moves towards 544. That is what another great trade, where it is, if you are making a 1:1 risk reward ratio also, there is a good profit where we got it. So let's see, 507.85 and 521, so somewhere around 8 plus, so 2 plus 13 point is the risk. From 521, if you are making a 13 point, so we are going to 534 as our target, but market closed by 538. This stock we filtered by yesterday itself, right? So we are not going to focus this stock for any scanners and screeners, but the end EOD scanners, we have filtered out this stock, and it gives you such a great opportunity in intraday basis. That is what beauty of that scanner. But I'm going to update you the stocks on my Telegram channel, right? So I'm not going to provide you the scanners, right? So this will help you to find out those stock which forms such a kind of pattern. Tomorrow after market open, we are going to get a confirmation from that particular stock. So this is works good. And the second stock is, yesterday we have discussed about the stock, and the second one was Indigo. That is what another stock where we are going to take a trade. So this is what the Indigo, where it is started by. There is a big risk because we don't know how much it is going to move in the day. But even if you check that, so our entry point should be 2198.6 or 2155. So almost we have a 40, almost 8 plus 3, almost 40 points. 43 points is the total risk for the trade. This is what your risk, but because we are going to focus for a sell here, or we are going to focus for a buy here, it immediately break up, and it is slightly within a 15 minutes it moves to 2230, almost it may moves to 32 points. If you are waiting for a 1:1, so we'll check it out whether it is triggers the target or not. So the 35 is the highest level for the trade, almost to 35 plus 2, 37 rupees it increased, but unfortunately it never trigger your target. 37 rupees it is increased, but 43 is our target, at least if you are maintaining a 1:1, but it not triggered. Finally it coming lower, but it not give you, just a second please, it not given you stop loss, it not trigger your any stop loss, but it shows you some profit here. Sorry, it initially shows a profit, and end of the day it is closed by 86. So we have 2186, we bought almost 12 rupees is the loss. So what we have fixed the risk for the trade, but it not giving you the stop loss. It was ending with the loss trade, as we have expected some risk on this trade, but the risk is not reached, but it was giving you minimum loss. On the third trade, so it may happen on Bank of Baroda, right? That is what a third trade, we are waiting for a Bank of Baroda. So this is what a first 15 minutes of Bank of Baroda. But here you have to understand one thing. So the risk for the trade is 112. So the lot size is very big for the stock. No problem. We can try to trade in equity also. 112 and 114.6. So we have a 2.6 as a risk. If you are taking a futures, it is almost 11,700 large size. Don't want to take such a kind of big risks. Okay, but we can try and trade in equity, right? So as per your risk ability, you can try to trade either equity or even options. Maybe if the stop loss triggers, you must exit. So the discipline one, very important to do the kind of trades. So what happened? So initially it gives you sell entry and moves very small, not giving you big, moves very small, and then it suited up and triggers your stop loss. At this point, it hit the stop. So if you can reverse the trade one time, only one time, again you can keep the stop loss of the same, another 2.6 you are taking a risk, but this reversal trade, what happened? So it went up to 118 plus 118.20, it moved up. So from 114.65 it went up to 118. So almost 3.2 and 3.6 rupees is the profit. So there is a chances we may cover our loss and ending with the profit on the trade. But if you are making a 1:1 risk reward ratio, we will exit with a zero loss on this transaction. Is that right, na? Very easiest way where we can focus for a trading, right? So this one for today's performance about that scanners. So and secondly, we are going to take that scanners and what are the stocks which you have filtered based on the scanners today. So stocks, these are the stocks we are going to focus for. Just wait, it's not loading. I think my internet is slow. Charting is slow. Okay, so let's wait. Yeah, it's loaded. Let's see. Today we have seen these three stocks that is happening by yesterday. What are the stocks we are going to see by tomorrow? These are the stocks for a tomorrow's trading. TVS Motor, again Bank of Baroda, SRF, GNFC. These four stocks we got from this result. So we are going to focus for a ORB first 15 minutes. Whether it is breaks above the high, we are going to buy. Whether it breaks below the low, we are going to sell. So we have to add our watch list. These are the stocks. After 9:30, we are going to follow the ORB strategy. So when it is breaks a buy or a sell, so you can plan for the risk how much it is. If it is high risk, you simply ignore. If it is a risk is suitable, you can plan a trade. So TVS Motor, Bank of Baroda, SRF and GNFC. These are the stocks, right? And I have done some thing on the same. What I did, the same stock I mentioned on the trade run. Okay, I just created a code for a trade run. So let me try it out. This was a trial and error method where I created the code in a trade run ORB breakout strategy. I created today, right? That is what 8th February. Today I created. So just what I did here. So I'm going to take a trade. What happened? So I just mentioned a 4x. Okay, that means 4 times I'm going to trade. So what I'm going to do, I have 4 stocks. I'm going to invest 10,000 rupees for each stock. Okay, so I'm going to invest 10,000 rupees for each stock. So let me try what will happen. So I'll just make a 1x. Will tell you what are these stocks. What this code will tell you, that is the algo trading, the robo trading will help you to make this stocks the first 15 minutes breakout. This will take a trade here. Once it is success, we can do it. Okay, and we will try to test a back test and other things. Then we will get a more confident. So that's about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also the stock which is going to focus for a tomorrow. That is, these are the stocks we are going to focus for a tomorrow. So you can focus, and there is a good opportunity by 15 minutes because it is not about after market, post market. Here this stock I selected for a live market trading, whether it is going up or down after first 15 minutes. That is my direction, right? So make use of it. Thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thank you. And if you are not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. Thank you so much.